Tired of snap leaders, tangled rigs, and escaped fish? Here's a strong and functional rig setup that every angler should know. With this rig, you won't struggle to catch big and toothy fish. Watch carefully and make sure to learn this. I'm using a colored fishing line so the knots are easier to see. But when you make your own rig, using a fluorocarbon leader will increase your chances of catching fish. Subscribe to my channel now to improve your skills by learning more fishing tips. You can make your leader line as long as you want. But remember, an unnecessarily long leader can tangle with the main line. Don't forget, always wet the knots before tightening them. This protects your line and makes the knot stronger. This is actually a T-knot, but by using a double-line leader, we make the rig even more durable. Pay close attention here. It's very important to tighten the knot right at the base of the leader. Take your time with this part. Look how the leader line stands. This minimizes the chance of tangling. Now I'll attach the swivel and the sinker. I'll be using two very useful fishing knots here. To tie the swivel, I use the polymer knot. This knot is very strong. It can also be used to tie hooks and snaps. To attach the sinker, the best knot is the loop knot. This knot allows you to easily change fishing weights whenever you need. Isn't it a great method? Don't forget to like the video and subscribe to learn more useful tips like this. Now I'm going to add the hook to the leader line. With this method, you can attach the hook into different directions and change it easily. Our special rig is ready. What do you think? Be sure to try it and share it with your fishing buddies. Click on the video or playlist on the screen to continue improving your fishing skills. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.